Wi-Fi. Your business will not survive without it. I once worked with a popular cafe that was bringing in an average of $45,000 a week. Sounds like a perfect business. But somehow each week they didn't have enough money to pay the bills. It was a constant battle of negotiating, borrowing money, and part payments. Then the threat from suppliers to stop deliveries. Without suppliers, the business had no operations. And with no money to pay the bills, there was no business. It was looking really bleak for this popular cafe, and the owners were really stressed. They felt like they were doing all the right things, reducing expenses, looking for cheaper suppliers, but still they couldn't get ahead. Where was the money going? Enter cash flow management. We immersed ourselves into their purchases, their bills, and their sales to look for the problem and find a solution without compromising their business. In this case, it came down to stock management. Each week they were ordering non-perishable stock without doing any stock takes. They had over $150,000 worth of stock just sitting there. I know, right? They were unnecessarily spending more money than they were making. If this was your business, what would you do? Let's solve this problem together, because the world of money can be full of intimidating jargon that may seem difficult to understand, but it's actually simpler than it sounds. I would like to guide you to break it down into smaller, easy to understand lessons that will build a clearer picture, enhance your knowledge, and as a result, strengthen your financial confidence. Attached to this lesson is a glossary of terms. Download it now and have it handy as you make your way through each lesson. Bottom line? The business is all about the bottom line. Cash flow management can make or break your business. So let's get started.